Nostalgic old shop ASMR videos are going viral across social media these days. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create videos like this. First, open the master prompt I've added in the video description. Next, copy the entire master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to choose a country. Select any country you want. Next, it will generate several video title ideas. Choose any title you like. Then ChatGPT will ask you to choose the video duration. After that, it will generate the complete image prompts and video prompts for your nostalgic old shop ASMR video. Next, open Google Flow and click Select Image. Just paste your image into the prompt. Then hit Generate and wait a few seconds. Then copy the video prompt and select Video. Choose Omni Flash and set the duration to 10 seconds. Just paste your prompt and hit Generate. When the video is created, play it and save the final frame. Click the three dots on the saved frame and select Add to Prompt. That's it. Your next scene is ready in seconds. Now let's check the final video result.